Good day guys, dead Wi-Fi at a coffee shop. In this year, staying offline isn't an option. Whether you're using a dedicated Verizon jetpack or just your smartphone, getting connected should be quickly, not long. Today I'm showing you the fast link method for both devices to get your laptop or tablet back on the grid instantly. Okay, so first let's look at the phone in your pockets. So on your phone, you go to settings and look for personal hotspots. On iPhone or network and internet on Android. And toggle that switch to on. Also look at the password right there on the screen. If you're on a 5G ultra-wideband plan, ensure that maximize compatibility is toggled to off to get those peak speeds on your laptop. On your computer, just find your phone's name in the Wi-Fi list and punch in that password. Then if you're using the Jetpack or MiFi, power on and tap the screen. Select Wi-Fi name and password directly on the device's touch display. No more digging for stickers under the battery. If your device supports it, use the QR code on the Jetpack screen. Just scan it with your phone or tablet camera to bypass typing a password entirely. It's the fastest handshake in the game. And now you should be back online and ready to work. If this Verizon guide helped you stay connected, smash like and subscribe.